Give him some help. One over.
Take a shortcut.
He's going straight, is he?
Yeah. Straight ahead. What happens if I put Thomas in that bucket? Oh! Thomas went to the wrong way. Thomas went to the wrong way, Daddy. He was going this way, not that way.
Oh.
Not that way. This is the shortcut for him, Daddy.
He's going to go around the loop.
Yeah. It's a shortcut or a long cut? It's a shortcut or a long cut, Daddy?
I don't know, really.
I need the shortcut. What's that, Daddy? What's that?
It's a train station.
Oh, that's a train station.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay, go down there and see if he's going to have any problems.
Yep. Now he's going straight again. No. He's going that way to the station.
It's going that way?
To the loop. To the
It's
loop.
going to come through the tunnel. Here he comes.
Now he's going to stop in the stations. He's going to get stopped the stations. Then,
Can you make him go up on the tall bridge?
okay.
How does he get there?
Let's turn it on.
Steep hill. Go, Thomas. There's an accident.
Mamie, don't turn off the camera yet. I want to get this truck off.
Ready for action?
Yep.
There he goes.
There's two. Someone's getting faster. Going that way. Straight ahead.
It's going down the straightaway.
Yeah. It's kind of have an accident. That means I
You
can't-
coming through the tunnels?
Yeah. It's going to bus. Do that.